A good workbench is one of those items that can easily turn a good home garage into a great one. They are a very versatile tool, perfect for both heavy-duty work by providing a solid, strong work area to smaller, more intricate jobs by providing a clean, solid base. There are many products available to choose garage workbench, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best garage workbench from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Basics Workbench and Shelving Storage System. Hold on, just wait a minute. A solid wood workbench and storage system with a price tag well under $100 and a total weight of about 20 pounds? Yeah, right, and what are the shelf supports made of, unicorn horn? Actually, the weight and price are both accurate and both very low because this is a very clever kit from 2x4 Basics. What you are actually buying are the black supports you can see in the product image. They are constructed of extremely tough plastic resin, and once you have them, you just need to pick up standard 2x4 pieces of lumber. What we like about it? Clever customization system. Can provide a great amount of storage. Strong resin construction. Relatively low cost. Number 2. Olympia Tools Multi-Purpose Workbench. We're now halfway through the list and, having seen some examples of the various options out there right now for garage benches, we've come full circle back to the same style we saw in the first product on the list. The first thing to note is that the bench is coming in with a far lower price tag than we saw on the Seville Classics at the top of the list. This option has a price of around $100. Naturally, to reach this price point, some design elements have been scaled back. What we like about it? Pegboard for storage. Useful light. 16mm, 0.63-inch MDF boards for worktop shelves. Heavy-duty steel construction with enamel finish. Number 3. Seville Classics Lighted Workbench. Our first entry is this product from Seville Classics and, oh boy, is this model packing an outstanding range of features. It's almost tough to know where to start, but let's dive in and check out a few of those features. The first thing to notice is that this is very much an all-in-one style of workbench. As we go through the list, we'll see several variations on the traditional garage workbench design. Some are relatively basic designs, but that is not something this model can be accused of. What we like about it? Stainless steel drawers. Heavy-duty steel frame. Built-in pegboard with 23 free hooks. Built-in light and power strip. 1.5-inch work surface. Number 4. Seville Classics Adjustable Height Heavy-Duty Workbench. Seville Classics are back once again with their third entry on our list today. This style of garage workbench is much simpler than the other two options on the list, however it is still packing a host of useful design points. Naturally, you will have noticed this model has no built-in storage. This is another of the pared-back models that are all about the worktop instead of the optional extras like pegboards, lights and power strips. Look at its price tag, however, and you'll find what you are getting is not a pared-back version of the other workbenches, but rather one that has been designed to be a premium, stand-alone bench that will be a pleasure to work at whilst having the solidity to provide years of useful service. This model is not cheap, but it is a very well-made and very well-designed worktop that could be a great investment for the serious at-home mechanic. What we like about it? Manual height adjustment with wide range. Solid hardwood top. Heavy-duty, powder-coated steel frame. 1,000-pound load capacity. Number 5. Craig Mobile Project Center. We love the name of this product, Mobile Project Center. It sounds like a base for G.I. Joe. It does live up to its name too, with a design that is all about mobility. It weighs 40 pounds, which is pretty light for a small workbench, especially one like this that boasts stainless steel as its frame material. It's also quick and easy to set up. It literally takes a few seconds and you're all set to go. There's no point having mobility and easy setup unless the workbench is actually useful as well as a workbench. Craig have you covered here too though with a number of useful features present and correct. The bench has multiple work modes, all easy to set up. This makes it extremely versatile and you can easily adjust the worktop placement and angle to suit a range of tasks. What we like about it? Extremely versatile and strong design. Folds up for easy storage. Fast and easy to set up. Built-in storage trays. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products as it